Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your Motorola Moto G31. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. So we're gonna start off with the settings. And now in the settings, first, what we're gonna do is check for software updates. So this is something that we need to do first, because whenever our software is not updated, then basically we're gonna have a lot of glitches on our device, including the microphone not working. So let's scroll a bit down in the settings, and right here we should be able to see system updates. Now let's click it and click check for updates. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me, so make sure it also looks good for you. So make sure that you have the latest version of the software update, and after that what you guys can do is clean the little microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So you guys can use basically anything that's not metallic, because when something is metallic then you can only damage the port even more, and that may cost you a lot of money to get that fixed. So after that, after cleaning it, you should guys see if the microphone is working. So try checking it out with, let's say, any app that supports the calls. So we're gonna go with the phone, and here just call up somebody or call somebody from your family, take their phone and see if your microphone is working or not. And that's basically what you guys can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.